Want to transfer your Fiverr earnings to Payoneer? Here's a beginner-friendly 2025 guide to get your money safely and quickly. First of all, create gigs on Fiverr by filling the titles, pricing, and media to attract clients. Deliver your work on time. This ensures successful transactions and earnings. Fiverr holds payments for a 40-day clearance period after order completion. New user won't see funds immediately, so patience is key. Click on Business tab, then select Earnings. Click Manage Payout Methods. Verify your identity by selecting your preferred verification method like SMS or call. This step is required for first time payment method setup. Select Payoneer account as your preferred payout method and set your currency. You will be redirected to an email. Click the link to sign up or log in to your Payoneer account and connect it to Fiverr. Once your earnings are available, initiate a withdrawal. First withdrawals may take a bit longer, but subsequent transfers are usually faster. And that's it. That's how to safely transfer your Fiverr earnings to Payoneer in 2025. Start earning, stay patient, and enjoy flexible access to money